Google's mission is timeless: to organize world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. And for over a decade, AI has been behind the evolution of Google search. And now, with generative AI, the possibilities are endless. You can do more with just a single search. Google Search can help plan and shop your next vacation, save context and follow up to your previous search without having the hassle of typing everything again. Want a personal trainer? Sure, look no further to train your next 10K. Whatever you're looking for, Google is right there. Recently, they have launched Gemini, their most powerful AI model. Hi, I'm Deepak Bhaskaran, your guide to all things AI, and in today's video, we will explore the Google's generative AI product portfolio for enterprises, including Gemini, the new AI hypercomputer infrastructure, Vertex AI platform, and the enhanced capabilities of Duet AI.
Generative AI is an artificial intelligence technology that can create new content in text, images, audio, and video forms. Google has been powering the capabilities of multiple enterprises through their toolsets. Let's look at a few examples. At GE Appliances, Generative AI curates recipes based on the items in your refrigerator and your preferred cuisine, be it Mexican, Chinese, or Indian. It tailors a unique recipe just for your taste buds. Over at Bayer, Generative AI is a game changer in generating synthetic data that helps create precise models for diagnosing medical problems. This translates to quicker diagnoses and more effective treatments, quite literally impacting lives. Priceline is revolutionizing travel by harnessing generative AI to streamline the entire travel experience, from searching and pricing to booking and experiencing destinations. It's like having a personal travel agent at your fingertips. And even at Victoria's Secret, where diverse operations and language barriers exist, Google's generative AI facilitates communication across geographical and linguistic divides. Now, let's talk about the technologies powering these innovations. Google launched their biggest and most powerful AI foundational model, Gemini, also billed as the ChatGPT killer. While traditional multimodal models are created by stitching together text-only, vision-only, and audio-only models suboptimally in the secondary stages, Gemini is the world's first native multimodal model, capable of making sense just like humans of text, audio, code, images, and video inputs all at once and give you the best possible response. Gemini is claimed to be better than any other foundational model out there. Gemini will be available in 3 sizes, which means it will be available to run on mobile devices to data centers. Gemini Ultra, the most capable and largest model for highly complex tasks. Gemini Pro, best performing model for a broad range of tasks. And Gemini Nano, most efficient model for on-device tasks. Now, let's talk about the infrastructure on which Gemini was trained and is being served. Microsoft's AI Hypercomputer, while AWS invested in their AI infrastructure through Trainium and Inferentia ML-based chips, Google has responded with their TPU or Tensor Processing Units-based supercomputers. So, the next question, how can you access these powerful tools? Vertex AI is a fully managed enterprise platform to rapidly prototype and deploy generative AI models without being an expert of machine learning. Vertex AI helps developers discover, tune, and scale foundation models into production in a low-code or no-code environment. With Vertex AI, customers can choose over 130-plus curated models in the model garden. Now that you have access to the best models, you can customize them with your data, your brand, and your needs. Time for a quick demo with Vertex AI. We are going to create a social media marketing app that can generate copy and images based on a prompt. In Vertex AI's model garden, I can choose the right model for my use case, ML expertise and budget, foundation models from Google Research or open source. Next, I need to tune my model to create a custom LLM for my use case. And then I upload some of my company's documents that were written in the brand voice like press releases, tweets, and blog posts to train the model's language. This data is protected within your company's environment and not accessed by Google. After I've customized the model, I can test it without leaving Vertex AI. I deploy my model to get a custom API endpoint that will make it easy to use this in a marketing app. The marketing application also needs to generate and edit images so that every social post has a picture. So we'll also deploy an image model via an API. I have now built a social media marketing app for your company with a few clicks and lines of code auto-generated by Google. Let's see the app in action. The company is launching a new granola bar and wants to broadcast its healthy ingredients across all social networks. Generative AI makes simple text prompts really powerful. With a simple prompt, I can describe the image I would like, add a sentence or two about the desired content, click generate, and here we go. With the power of generative AI, I now have custom social media, blog, and email campaign posts that I can use across my marketing channels. From here, I can refine further, edit the image, or make changes to the content requirement, or make text edits directly, and post it with a single click. Now you can create a marketing campaign in minutes. Now, let's look at Duet AI, Google's code companion solution that competes AWS's Code Whisperer and Microsoft's GitHub Copilot. Duet AI is assembled on top of Vertex AI, built by Google's DeepMind and integrated across Google Cloud products. Duet AI provides assisted development, assisted operations, assisted data, assisted no-code development, and assisted security. With assisted development, functions are generated based on comments. Your code is completed as you type it. Errors are automatically corrected, and you can even chat with an AI pair programmer about the code. With assisted operations, you can get critical how-to information about Google's cloud infrastructure, deployment, best practices and recommendations on optimizing your cloud setup. With assisted data, you can discover and explore your data and insights, learn and build with assisted coding, translate code dialects, and automate data enrichment. With assisted no-code development, you can have a simple natural language-based chat conversation to model data, create and customize specific app for your business needs. With assisted security, you get up-to-date security insights on major bad actors, automated alerts for breaches and lateral movements, and best practice guidance on remediation. Duet AI is available for multiple editors and for over 20 programming languages, so you can ready, set, and code.
Now is the time for the verdict. While Google might have the best foundation models in Gemini powering their AI stack, they still lack the wide portfolio of toolsets that Microsoft, due to their investments with OpenAI, bring to the table, or access to a wider enterprise customer base that AWS, Amazon's cloud service, have. By the way, if you're looking for a comprehensive review of both Google and Microsoft's AI services for the enterprises, you can find them in my previous video. Links in the description. Google's strength definitely lies in integrating AI into their rich toolsets that they currently offer to their consumers, be it Google Search, Ads, or YouTube. Despite being the first investors in artificial intelligence, Google has somehow arrived late to their own party. Nevertheless, I'm really excited for Google's next step on how they leverage their multimodal model and create unique solutions for the enterprise. Let me know how you like this video in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to check out other Gen AI overview, product demos, and industry insights. I want to hear from you. No matter where you are in the Gen AI journey, I can help you navigate this emerging landscape. As a Gen AI enterprise architect, I have conducted educational workshops, hackathons, proof of concepts, and also deployed AI solution at scale. Reach out to me in my socials. See you in the next video.